好啦，嚟到第二課中間嘅重頭戲啦噃。第2.4就話呢一個叫做 water purification，就講水嘅淨化。咁我哋首先當然要認識一下嚟自天然嘅水究竟係啲咩模樣，同我哋喺水喉開出嚟嘅水有啲乜嘢分別呢？咁成個世界上面呢，有一啲嘅地方飲用嘅水其實都係唔係咁乾淨㗎。咁我哋成日話唔乾淨，唔乾淨，咁究竟入面有啲乜？咁我哋就擺落個顯微鏡度睇一睇。咁 Practical 2.9呢個實驗，咁我哋就喺呢個嘅池塘入面就攞啲水嘅樣本啦 ，pound water sample。咁就算我哋唔擺落顯微鏡 microscope 嗰度睇嘅時候，我哋肉眼都見得到，佢嘅顏色係呈現一個嘅淺啡色 light brown。咁我哋就 set up 個 microscope 啦，將個 temporary slide of pound water 擺喺個 stage 上面去望啦。然之後將個 eyepiece 駁住嗰個 video cam，咁直接駁落 screen 度睇。咁我哋會望到有好多細小嘅粒粒喺嗰個 video cam 入面啦。咁嗰啲就係我哋稱之為 small particles。咁或者你有機會見到一啲嘅 microorganisms， 有啲嘅微生物喺度㗎。咁我哋就呢度就講下 impurities in natural water。咁有啲天然水入面有啲嘅雜質。咁我哋分為主要有3類啊。咁就由上而下左至右咁睇啦嚇。上而下左至右啦。第一個就係叫做 soluble impurity。soluble impurity 即係溶喺水入面嘅，溶喺水入面。咁就例如有 mineral salts 啦，啲礦物鹽啦。咁我哋望過左上面望一望啦，咁就有第二種叫做 insoluble impurities， 有啲不溶喺水嘅雜質，例如就話 sand 泥沙啦 ，plant debris 一啲嘅植物殘餘物。咁就望翻過右手面嘅下面咯喎，咁就仲有一種叫做 microorganisms， 就係一啲嘅微生物，例如就有 E. coli 大腸桿菌，又或者 amoeba 阿米加變形蟲。咁一旦如果我哋飲咗一啲嘅 natural water， 咁係有啲雜質入面嘅時候，有啲乜嘢健康問題啦 ？Health problems from drinking natural water。咁一旦如果我哋飲咗一啲嘅 natural water， 而入面係有 harmful E. coli， 係有大腸桿菌，我哋會點樣呢？咁我哋好大機會都會嘔吐啦，又或者係腹瀉啊。We may suffer from vomiting and diarrhea。咁呢個就叫你舉2個 example， 2個 impurities 係嚟自於 natural water 嘅。咁就例如有 microorganisms 啦，微生物啦 ，and toxic substance 一啲有毒嘅物質。咁而呢一啲雜質有啲咩影響呢？ How may the impurities in A affect our health? They may cause disease， 有機會引起疾病啦。In serious case, we may die。嚴重起上嚟其實會影響到性命危險嘅。嚟個小總結咯喎 ，natural waters contain impurities and microorganisms。天然嘅水其實會有雜質喺入面啦，會有微生物喺入面啦。Some impurities are soluble， 有一啲就溶喺水嘅，例如就話 mineral salts 一啲礦物鹽啦。And other are insoluble， 有啲就不溶喺水嘅，例如就話泥沙 sand and plant debris。有啲嘅植物殘餘物啦。Some impurities and microorganisms in natural water are harmful to our health。有一啲嘅雜質又或者微生物咧，其實會影響我哋嘅健康啦。